Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to fix screen keeps dimming when disabled auto brightness on iOS 18.1. So for this purpose, first you need to open Settings app on your mobile device. Then just scroll down and click on Accessibility. Then Accessibility page will appear. Here you need to scroll down and then you find the option of Display and Text Size. Just tap on it. Then on display and text size, you need to scroll down and here you find the option of auto brightness. Just click on it. And then just click on this toggle button and turn it off. Then what you need to do, go to main home page of settings. And here you need to scroll down and you need to click on Face ID and password. Then here what you need to do, enter passcode of your mobile phone. Then this page will appear after entering passcode. Here in attention, you can see the option of attention aware features. Then just off this toggle button. Once you click on this button, it turns from green to gray. Then the next step is scroll up from the right side of the screen. Then here you have this brightness option, just hold it and then these three options will pop up. Here make sure night shift is turned off. Then at the top right corner you have this power button. Once you click on it, then you need to tap on restart. Once you restart your mobile device, these all changes will be saved. And there's one more way to restart your mobile phone. Go to Settings app. And then here you have the option of General, just click on it. In General, you need to scroll down and you have the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone, just click on it. Then at the bottom you have Reset button. Once you click on it, some reset options will pop up on your screen. Here you just need to click on Reset All Settings. Once you click on it, you can see these all changes will be applied on your mobile device. So this way you can fix screen keeps dimming when disabled auto brightness on iOS 18.1. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.